Struts through the arena, lights up with the brights up and the dome tilts. Two headline headlights popping out of the skin tights. Up front, boys already feeling the guilt. The ring Dawson's Creeks, the crowd forgets how to blink. 182, booze and bomb gets lotion bomb. Corner to corner, tidal flow mess. Leotard meet apocalypse now, leaving grown men we ate palm blessed. She's the breasty one, title too small, frame too wide. Every time she hits, gets boys sweating on the inside. Ain't no bra rated for this kind of felony front. Ain't no rep sober enough to call the match blood. Splash lands heavy, swallows the combat before it tracks opponents. California dreaming about that all natural stack. Cleavage clamp, snap, slaps on like a judge, handing down life. Ribs complain, lungs bargain like a flea market stripe. She leans in real glam clothes while the boys in the crowd turning every shade of wrong. Tap quick loser or I'll make this chesticle laced hug last too long. She's a breasty one, title too small, frame too wide. Every time she hits, gets boys sweating on the inside. Hey, ain't no bra rated for this kind of felony front. Ain't no rep sober enough to call the match blood. Hey. Then the Gooner's pillow, slow, obscene, like a Carrot Top movie, but one that everyone wants to have seen. Matt trembles, referee's brain leaves his body for just a tug. 1, 2, 3, still counting his head while staring at them jugs. Blue bottom drops a hammer bed, rock with extra jiggle. Spine says goodnight, sleep tight, don't let the booby bugs giggle. She parks a rack without any slack as if she owns the Mr. Deeds to the building, watching every eagle kneeling, and the banana starts peeling. She sits there smirking while the boys get the beef jerking. Jack Ling's better watch out, she'll put him out of business. Looking hotter than that goofy blonde for Swiss Smith. She's a breasty one, title too small, frame too wide. Every time she hits, gets boys sweating on the inside. Hey, hey, ain't no bra rated for this kind of felony front. Ain't no rep sober enough to call the match blood. The dairy pillow smothered just one last time. Rest in peace, defeated in your Optimus Prime. Fans lose language, chant nonsense, beg for a rerun. She adjusts the strap slow, let the torture continue, son. Too much story packed in too little cloth, leaving those Wichita linemen wondering how they lost, and why it felt so creamy and soft. Yeah, the breasty one. What else can be said? The chick is huge boobs, bro.